Hey YouTube, Mickey. I'm just basically mucking around in my shed, and I found this trowel in my cupboard that I'll never use. I may use one day, but I'm basically going to make a little sharpening surface with this trowel and with this bit of rubber, and then I'll connect some sandpaper on top of the rubber and use this to start sanding. Start sharpening my my knives with. I don't have a belt sander or anything like that, so I'm pretty much relying on manual sanding with sandpaper and stuff like that. So I'm just cutting this rubber to fit the trowel. Okay, and just cut this here. It's about there. Grab my ruler. I'm in the market to find a belt sander to sharpen my knives a bit easier, but they're not that easy to find in Australia, to be honest. Alright, so I've got that shape, so I'll put this on my vise, and the idea of this is to, you know, if I want it flat and sharpen like that, I can do that. If I want it like that, I can always just tighten the vise up and grab my knife and sharpen it like that. So what I'll do, I'm going to nail this in on each corner. Actually, I'll come back to this. Alright, so I'm back. So I was going to nail this piece of rubber to this trowel, but I thought I might screw it on. Be a lot easier. Hopefully I'm probably not getting that in frame, but you got the idea. Bit of a homemade job, but you know, why not? I try to use whatever I can around the house as much as I can. Sorry, I'm blocking it out of the frame, but you can get the general idea. Alright, so I've basically drilled this piece of rubber onto the onto this trowel. The rubber's a bit wonky there, but that's okay. And then simply what I'll do is grab some sandpaper, which is 1200 grit. Put that on an angle like that. I'll get myself some duct tape. Yeah, I need to come up with a better system of connecting sandpaper onto my onto the trowel here, but in the interim it'll do the job. Grab that sandpaper and literally just stick it on the trowel there. Stretch it a bit to make it a little bit tight. Right, there you go. So that's a little sharpening system there. There is a blade I do want to touch up a bit, which is this buck knife here. So just a bit of gun oil. And look, this system works for me. It may not work for everyone, but it seems to sharpen my knives good enough for me to use out in the field or to make it hair shaving sharp. And simply what I'll do, sorry about the camera view, but simply what I'll do is just grab it, sharpen like that. And this gives me the option to put an angle or make it flat. Cut the sandpaper there, so it'll be very light with this. When you get the gist of the idea. So again, if I want to angle it like that, I can. Just give it some nice light strokes. Probably a bit too much of an angle there. Sandpaper's not that flat on the piece of rubber, so I'm cutting into the sandpaper a bit, so gotta make sure you get that right. But guys, that works for me. Sandpaper works for me, and always has and always will. And yeah, so I'll just end up giving the knife a bit of a strop. That's some pretty thick paper there, not thick, but you know, like A4 printing paper, but some thinner paper here. So, could be sharper. Anyway, there you go.